Hey guys! I have a quick update about Unihertz. Unihertz is launching a new rugged phone very soon. The new phone will be called 8849 Tank Mini. According to the picture released so far, the 8849 Tank Mini kind of looks like a miniature version of its much bigger sibling 8849 Tank 3, which I have covered extensively on this channel. Not much is known about this device yet, but according to device specifications, the new mini rugged phone will come with a 5800 milliamp power battery and a 33-watt fast charging support. In terms of camera, it has a 100 megapixel main shooter and a 32 megapixel for selfies. It also comes with big RAM and internal storage as well. According to the leak, the RAM will be 12 GB and internal storage will be 256 GB. The RAM can be virtually expanded with up to 12 GB. Making it 24 GB in total. Also, the device has a dual SIM card tray with a slot for a micro SD card. It is also fitted with an IR blaster and supports NFC. Some of the model's distinctive features include a laser rangefinder, a bright camping light, and 5 color signal lights. That's all I have for now concerning this device. I will post more details about this device once Unihertz releases more details. Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any of the update. So, what do you think about this upcoming device by Unihertz? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and watch our other videos.